Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2017 Lamborghini Huracán LP580-2 Spyder. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 580-horsepower V10 engine and a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with rear-wheel drive. This car is finished in a gorgeous pearl effect Verde Mantis exterior color in Nero Ade with Verde Fauns Bicolor Sportivo leather interior and contrast stitching. This Huracán is in excellent condition and comes well optioned, including Techno Pack with magnetic ride, Bicolor Sportivo leather interior, rear view camera, parking sensors, power adjust and heated seats, front lift system, garage door opener, branding, sport exhaust with black finishers, 19-inch shiny Black Kari wheels, and much more.